What's up, guys? Matty, Rolling Heavy Magazine. It's Sunday evening. We figured we'd crack a beer and open some mail that we've gotten over the past month that we've kind of fallen behind on. A lot of this stuff, I'm not even sure what's in here, but we're going to find out. First one comes from Dan Beard out of St. Anne, Missouri. I know what this is. This is actually really cool. Yep, exactly what I thought it was. This is a collar adapter right here. This is the collar adapter to put a 68 Dodge Charger kind of flip top kind of gas cap on this van. Very cool. Dan Beard's on Facebook. Look him up. We will also see if we can find a link for him. I'm not sure if he's still making these, but he does produce them, and they are like basically the best collar you can get to put Charger flip top gas caps on your vans. Let's see what else we got. Who is this from? Let's see. Oh, this is from our buddy Lucifer. This is cool. Let's see what we got here. It says Barn Find on the bag. Oh, Barn Find van. That's cool. Right on. This thing looks like it's sat in a barn for a long time, but I dig it. That's rad. What else is in here? Oh, cool. Lone Wolf Bastard stickers, very cool. Right there. Very cool stuff. And we got a bunch of t-shirts too. This is pretty cool, guys. Alright, well, Lone Wolf Bastard, Lucifer, thank you so much, man. I think if you guys leave a comment down below, we'll mail you some of this stuff out because this is a lot of stickers. We can't have them all. But we'll pass them out to you guys too, so that's really cool. Thanks, Lucifer. Really appreciate it, man. Okay, what's next? This is an interesting one. This is a package that came a little while ago. I gotta be honest, I have no idea who this came from. The address is from Portland. It's coming to the P.O. box here in Sunland, California. There's no names on it, but it is a Summit box, so it's gotta be somewhat cool, right? Let's open this up and see what it is. Whoa! Really? This is a box of vintage Budweiser stuff. We've got a hat, got a bunch of beer cans, got I think a pair of bike shorts. That's what that looks like. It's a whole box of Budweiser stuff. This is really cool. Budweiser stress can, nice. Little 8-ouncer, that's pretty rad. This is awesome. It's a whole box of Budweiser stuff. Man, whoever sent this, thank you. I'm gonna go through this later and figure out what's what. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it right now, but we'll check that out later. Then we got one more box, it looks like. This is from, oh cool, this is from Wildcat Auto Wrecking. This is probably parts for this. I don't know what's in here though, so let's open it up and figure it out real fast. Gotta cut it some more. Let's see. Alright. What do we got here? Have a quick drink here. Hold on. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? This is the parts, it looks like. I'm going to throw this off right now because, well, there's a lot of stuff here. Let's get this open and see what's going on. Well, I can tell you one thing, Wildcat Auto Wrecking really tapes this stuff up really good. Try this. Yeah, there we go. Let's try that. We've got, oh, cool, armrest bases for the A100. Nice pair of black, that's cool. What else is in here? Hold on. This is stuck. Hold on. We've got a pair of dome light housings. for the A100. Cool. What is this? Let's see here. I don't even have an idea what this is. Oh, I think I know what this is. Hold on. Okay, yeah, these are the lenses for the dome lights. That's cool. And this is foam packing stuff. Cool. All right, so we got dome lights, we got armrest bases. Well, there's one more thing. This is actually something that we really need for this van. It says, hey Matt, dipsticks inside this. So let's see here. How is this thing even together, dude? I don't even know. This is quality packing. See if I can get this thing open somehow. Oh yes, perfect. So here's the thing about the dipstick on these A100, these 225s apparently. They're, the stick is apparently matched to the tube, which I was unaware of. And we lost our dipstick in the pan of that motor somewhere along the way. So that would be what this is. Yep, that's it. Cool. Well, that's it, guys. Not really exciting, but really cool stuff. A100 parts for this van. A100 gas cap, like little collar things. We put the Charger flip top cap on this thing. Very cool. Great package from Lone Wolf Bastard on Instagram. Lucifer, really good dude. And I'm really curious who sent this box of Budweiser stuff. If it was you, let us know, because I owe you a thanks and I want to send you something out to say we really appreciate it. That's it. I'm going to start putting these parts on the van and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.